gentlemen, this is your boy Big Paradise, BIGPARDISC. Yes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel. So Saturday was Don Dingo's 30th birthday. I pulled up. I surprised him with a cake. I went with a convoy. I'm not even lying because my management got my back like backpack. You get it? So yeah, I pulled up on him and I was like, yeah, boss, yeah, I appreciate you. I'll be very grateful. Yeah, I'll be thankful, appreciateful, everything full, joyful. See, yeah, after all, limelight, stepping stone, everything be calm. That one day, I show the appreciation. Big, but then, you see, as we finished that thing, we post the video, people did my comment section. Paradise, how we did for you, big so few Sheldon block we talk on your behalf. Because, yeah, hashtag free paradise. As I say, people do hashtag go for me. Big love to all those people. I really effort everybody energy. Like, make people keep they support me like that. Because people be the real ones. We don't go take somebody for outside, can't tell me, want to find me. You people, they understand the game. I really appreciate everybody. Keep on supporting me like that too. Without you people, I don't be me. I don't like what they can't talk to. You get it? I appreciate everybody. You know, we say I go do the reunion, it be wow, people for understand the game. Big love to everybody. Yes! But you know the mean say, if Don Dingo come outside, can't do something he know for do, or do something where we for talk about, we go talk about time. The game is the game. I'm standing on business. Even though I don't be the CEO of AMG, but I stand on business. I don't be AMG of Mercedes, but then I stand on business. If you know, you know. There's this particular video trending on the internet. If I talk about my Niger people, you know them. I know the one show. Over the weekend, there's this particular video trending on the internet. But then it happened for Nigeria. It don't happen for Ghana. No. Ghana, it don't happen for here. It be Nigeria. So this video has, I don't know. But then it has gotten to a level where the conversation around them be very bad. And you know that Matters Dey. So we will not go sit on them. We go come what disintegrate to that level, make you what understand them. I go come what bisect them, even though I know be what compass. You understand? I go come what underline the issues, even though I know be ruler. I really get what I told you. So yes, there is this video. Make I explain everything, show you people. I don't know sometimes how we all be the think, but they make I explain this to you. For the video inside, they see say cars align. You go see say cars align for there. The cars then go enter the race, they align. The car way maybe you go supervise the race to there. We get the Jeep for there. We get the Corvette for there. We get the kind of thing. This Dodge, some two for there. The one, if people know Showboy, I know say Showboy gets the Dodge, the white color, but then this one be the black color. And then in the same video, you see say there is a Ford like that there where it gets that police siren for top. They give you the blue and what red color. So meaning it was what under law. From the video, it was so it did. Okay. So then the car starts the race. Fast forward to the race. You see say for the race inside, you see the Jeep in there. And you see the Corvette 2 in there. No problem. Because for the video inside, I see say Abayensa womb. But I see say then they rev the engine. On the track like that to the finishing line. I don't know how they do, how fast they or how long or how lengthy they move like that. But then for inside, I see say your man you see say the Jeep, I say the Jeep, the Corvette, He try the what? He overspeed the Jeep. He show him say, senior, mean say more than senior. You know say boys, before some race like that go on, maybe can't deem come on that. Me say more than so, hey, met sian. So then rev the engine they come. You know be smart thing. I don't know where that particular Dodge guy, I don't know say, or person overtaking no see no so twice for them. You don't know say the race, the baton they won't buy them, they won't make them pass to one man. Because he knows say that the rev engine they come. As he did there, he dey see say cars air back. Because he was in that the video, say race win ye baby. Then now the Corvette now see say for the bumper of this one, you kind of say the Dodge, Say the Corvette need to be anymore. Unfortunately for the man, was had your question light boom, they came in front of I say he damaged. Watch the video.
See waiting now, we are talking now. So good. This is what I'm talking about.
See what they talk about. See what they talk about. Jesus. See see what person they talk. See what they talk. See what we are saying now. See what they talk. God.
So that be the video. Right now, you know everything. I no go look like say paradise they say, paradise they see. My problem for this video inside. My problem for this video inside be say how the dogs guy get you see say somebody they race track inside. They move on. I know they talk say at the second sense like that, because me safe like this, I don't see the ref. Where the particular ref for me, I don't see him though. But he did the track inside, they move no. Who now about basic kind no over GD. Because all this. Because if like try say he they move into the race, he they move to the track like that, like everybody move on. Like everybody move on. Like this accident no go happen, make it sana go destroy government property for there. But the question share you can say street light, damage the street light. Simple as ABC. What damage you know? Now you can't take your dogs, they can't pass the race track. Once say something like that, they go on now. When pick up fuck no. Like open say all day, like you what do they want me to do you? So as na kaka na eba no ntiko duru onu ko ntu. See, already I dey talk this thing. If you know say you go start something, you know go finish, make you no start am. Who say ade na muba be problem say be bank, am no start kura cause you know say baby how dey be kono, e dia 50-50. For the video inside now somebody to the talk say that you say if you dey listen to the video, the previous video I'm making people watch. You say the person in the video they talk say yeah, you say okay you. Then pan okay. Then you dey see say if I dey analyze them as a psychologist like me, if I dey read from the video, from where I dey sit, if I dey analyze the video, if I dey if I dey disintegrate, if I dey sieve the video, what I dey see be say maybe you tell them say race na mo ba be kono ebi anke yenyai. Or nigga na ebi otu dodge ni mu na oba on senior, what ba kwan ni mu ko echi obe prove say oni kwan ni mu. It is sometimes we go get that back and forth. We will prove say, oh, I know did the road. Oh, you did the okay. But as the car go crash, then the nigga in the video, he take video of the whole scene. Say, Maza, I'm not kind. So meaning advice look also. But then from the particular video, the dodge nigga do yawa. You said you know that you make like you say the convert the route accelerated, then the convert the speed save they come in. I sure say you will cover like 720 kilometers within 5 minutes. The speed and the convert they take they come. But you make like you say crash into you, make your body all mass like a maski. But then you are up saying fuck, thinking about your car. You go be boys for day. Thinking about your car, not think about your boy in life. See, as you do that self, you damage it. But some people, how you go yourself come out and feel that way? Say, like Obia say, who can't anymore. Now, who did the kind inside. Now, as you know that, you know the praise God. Causing damage to yourself and to the car and to the person where you did the convert inside in the Jeep, causing that damage because you know the car there, left your track inside. So object or an obstacle like that being on a race path on the it go what? It go throw the car away from there. If you for blame said, they like they're not because I know say race like that for Ghana here, you know say if stankers them they do their race, you know say we get somebody here they flag the race. But then I don't see the ref. We will flag, make everything day inappropriate. So say this object no go cross this line. For this the video on the internet, let me read some of the comments you use so you can understand what's going on there in any. So after the video, I saw Lamar, this is King Lamar. He posted this 28th July 2020 Chevrolet Corvette C8 now available, blue on two-tone interior. That's into brackets $115,000. Contact for details. Posted this what June. I mean June be the 6th month of every year, or are they like January, February, March, April, May, June. Where you post the car. Wait, so today, you can't quote the issue happened. You can't quote on the same post with what? A heartbroken emoji. Meaning whatever happened as like really the saddening heart. You could feel like say them being parties. Where you sell what? The Rev 1. The 2020 Chevrolet Corvette C8. And then call cars out 2020 model. You go pay them because how maybe you go sell car to you, you go give you car like that, then you go risk them then. I mean the kind like that. Because Amanya Nigeria, they don't go assemble that car for them, then go do the car. I say the cars come to an end. Because when you car, you watch the end product of the racing. Who say there be a moon like any more said then. They pain me. Because as the car damage like that, the human being to improve, the human being to in life. Right now, the person in the hospital. See, sometimes make you people know the over risk. I don't say men with the risk, but make you people know the what over risk scam. I don't say it be some of the big men, them are fantasies. You get it? Yeah, the likes of Stankars dams, wicked dams, it be them are fantasies. Because at the end of the day, sometimes the video go Athena, then things go do the riding for the. They are the see the person they officiate the race. They see one more officiate that part, the racing line, everything they intact, no object to cross the lane. It is everything they intact. I know since it be some of you people your fantasies. But every day, remember I can't answer issue where it be problem. Because I know say for University of Ghana, some garage people to carry the car come Jane Nelson. Then can't rev them engine now, screech the time papa they too. From that incident, Dean was like, nah, we are not having any program where we will come do car auto shows, toy auto shows. If I talk about toy, it's for casa. Demographic talking, sir. Because if I say toy, I'm talking about car. And this car be car, the goose. That's what they call it. They don't call it car, they call it toy. Beautiful toy. So from the University of Ghana, you're banning. Now those cars, if you did this, near the Bao school, now we get walk around, we have to miss so. This particular car is worth $115,000. That be $115,000. $115,000. Where you go crash them like that? $115,000. Nigeria, you put the cry over lights, right? There is soon one more. Like you go feel what? You go feel channel that money say for that side. And that's what car saying to me, but let me tell you, nah. The thing it costs for them. This is the word. It no be so simple like that. This can be room. For Ghana cities, for Ghana cities, make a check for you people. For Ghana cities, $115,000. Can it get 18 billion? $18 billion. Go spoil them like that. Go crash them. Sana destroy government in property ad. My problem is, see our rescue with life. You question crown na breadwinner with you. You question crown na breadwinner. Right now, you do hospital bed. After the incident, the boy go to the hospital. He bring your hospital bill outside. Now, as he bring the hospital bill outside, he vex people. So this was not necessarily the bill, but then whatever he went through, this is what he brought out. Put it on the internet. He was like, yesterday evening, 14th of September 2024, I watched my life flash right in front of my eyes. It all happened so fast. Still traumatized. Thought it was all over. Still can't even believe I'm alive. God really loves me. And yesterday confirms all doubts. I'm grateful to still be here. I will never forget. Head jammed, back hurts, face bruised. Couldn't even sleep at night. Too much pain, flashbacks, messing up my head already. Hospital bills going crazy. Abodam kwakese. Onye kwakese so be bodam. You go crazy. Now you see face bruised. You go feel affecting no safe. Over 400 million in damages. Please, you should have indicated this one here. Make you know, say, it be dollar, it be naira, it be pounds. 400 million, I know say Binara you put the chop for Nigeria. Corvette Stingray 2022 gone. Jeep Grand Cherokee 2015 gone. Property damage. Na car back on $115,000. 2020 model. Won't lie, I don't even know where to start from, but I'm glad I'm still here. God got plans for me. Still hospitalized, sorry. I might need all the love and support I could possibly get from the masses. With the hospital, I'm a need. How you gonna take you serious? Omo, now put on Nigerian PG, make gonna see the seriousness, make gonna pull up for you. Because right now, whatever it happened to you, no, I just take him like my brother. I dey talk on the behalf of my people. Whatever it happened to you people, no, we know the we say it will happen to somebody like that. But next time, appropriate way. What's the street light? Whatever is for for Ghana, your street light, people, you need people near the same. On that Tesi road like that, from the Labadi there they come like that. That road safe street light, people will be new. More money be na saying, oh, you go get some for they spoil. These people will be the same people that go come back say, now we don't get street light, we don't get this. Meanwhile, where people go have the raise the sports and like that. Now don't challenge again, and then no man can show you. That nigga no. Now he can't chop into the lane like that. Coming can show that nigga. I don't go talk coming it. The door challenger nigga, the black door challenger. He pull into the track, the racing track like that. I don't go tell him anything. He is the cause. He is the peak. He is the climax of the accident. Make I enter into the comment section because I said like right now the youth name. Your man be finding too much flashy lifestyle. Yo, luxurious lifestyle. Sometimes the papa pani ade senior dream. Yeah, me say do get so na front na isi kakra bi bona. Isi bi go your woman in body pet that be all. Then take can go. Bro, like then take can go, bro. Then take can go. So sometimes no, you know they tell you say make people know they have your fantasies. But then your fantasies it should be in an appropriate segment, appropriate what line, appropriate path. The comment section of whatever they posted out there. Someone was like, say, now I might need all the love and support into brackets. It's still they use still stock inside generational bese. You see what I was talking? When we talk about bese, a problem with that. We the enter Nigeria, so a problem with that. Bese means trouble. Or saying you have to win in you are talking with what? Steez. On Kasa was there, let's make fully up their show long. By this time of the day. Now let's be serious. But then we'll go pull up for you. God will come through for you. You understand? But next time, I beg you people, drive with your head. Okay, somebody to say what? You can rent car, but you can pay someone to stay and block routes to avoid collision. Just run an Ishan lad that someone want to drive along. Bro. Someone to says the Dodge guy na fool. Why you go enter road without looking? Finally, then go ban all this nonsense for Echo Atlantic. Ban race no kwamu be. Somebody too says, oh my God, they want you, if I better make you payment with 400 million naira debt. As how? 400 million naira, how the Ghana to difference pay. This year, yes, 400 million. It will say, you payment, you will die because it be generational debt. And carry with me here. This will be trying to in our so carry dear, ready won't uncle back. So ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy Big Paradise. Let me know what you think about this and then put it in the comment section. I'm out.